Welcome to my channel. So guys, first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see this is click on search button and then enter your model number of your motherboard require the driver H510M kit and then hit enter. Then click on product. Then slow down, find out. So this one, just click on the title. Then guys click on the support. Select your operating system which is required Windows 10 and 11. Just select. This is audio driver, so both operating system installations process same. So you can see this video and you can download audio driver. This is audio driver, just click to download. Chipset. So chipset driver, this is for there are two driver required, which is this one, and click to download and then serial. This is also scroll down. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and just click to download. VGA graphic card VGA driver and click to download. So it will start downloading. You just click to these icons to forward to download locations. Now this is first one downloading, then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract, real Ethernet control device, then next. Now this is installing driver, and then okay, and then finish it, then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes, then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes, then next, accept, installed, and then okay, then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator, nothing. Now you can see this is installing, and it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing, then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.